You ready for this? Ooh, yeah. So, if you could have guessed by the title, I got the Aputure 120D Mark II, and today I'm just going to compare it with the cake pan light that I made from Daniel Schiffer's recommendation, and then I'm also going to compare it to just normal sunlight, and you can decide if this is something that you want to invest in the future, or maybe you're ready to make the jump right now and get one of these lights. But spoiler alert, I already love this thing, except it's freaking huge and I need to rework my office because there's no room in here. I might have to get rid of the chair behind me. I don't know, there is just not enough room with this light setup, and I really don't want to take it down every time I'm done with a YouTube video. I'd rather only take it down if I am going to move it somewhere for a shoot. Without further ado, I am going to compare this with those other two light sources right now. Now I'm sure, as you can see, the Aputure 120D Mark II with the light dome looks way better than the other sources, at least in my opinion. I can already tell you this footage is going to be way easier for me to color grade, because you might have noticed with the cake pan, it gives me this really pink look, and it is so frustrating trying to make it look natural because I've got a lot of Irish blood in me, so I've got a red beard. I'm more orange and red than I feel like pink, so it's really frustrating trying to get the colors to match properly. But I already know this being pure daylight white is just, it's gonna be such a dream. Chances are, if you clicked on this video, you already know how much an Aputure 120D Mark II goes for. And I got it on Black Friday, so I had $100 off. And then I also bought the light dome with it. So those two together cost about, I think, $870 US. There is a big difference between the light dome and the cake pan light in price, but there's also a difference in quality, and you should see just the diameter of these lights. The softbox is freaking huge, whereas the cake pan, I could probably fit 4 of them inside the softbox. If you guys like this video, go ahead and leave a like, comment what you thought was the best light, and go ahead and subscribe if you haven't already, and I will be back with more videos, and I'll see you next time.